What's up everyone, my name is Paul and welcome to my YouTube video. And in this video I'm going to share some of my experience, and also I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to get like this type of video. And let me ask you one thing, are you a low budget filmmaker? Okay, let's just say that you want to make a really good video and you don't have camera but you have only your cell phone, then this video is for you. Okay, so for me the only thing I have right now is my cell phone. This is right here. It can reflect or something. As you can see, that is my cell phone that I used to always use everywhere I go. But I have this camera, but this is very steady, and this one is, the battery is not last anymore and it's not used anymore, so I don't use them anymore. But in here, this is my tab Lenovo, and in here I used to do video editing. I have KineMaster, and in my phone I will take a video and I will edit in here sometime inside the bus. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a best way to cheat in your phone and also get a quality something like this. And what I come up with a new idea was kind of like old story using a gray color, and which is why I make this the gray horror. So before we go on to the tip, let me show you the video. Cool, right? I know what you're thinking. You might say, oh come on, the video, the story, I didn't understand the story, you might say, but please forgive me. I was just playing around with it. And if you are really a low budget people and also you have only your phone and can take a very bad quality video, then you can make like this type of video and tell the story like 18th century, how the evil movie was happened. And obviously 18th century, we know that the video quality was not good. They have a black and white, so you are actually gonna be like you are sleeping and dreaming. I'm really sorry that I cannot do a screen capture on my desktop because it's really slow and I have to get update and format the whole thing and then reinstall everything, then only I can do my tutorial and notes. But for right now, this is really. Let me know what you think about this, the gray horror, and please leave your comment down below so you can be responsible for the next video. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it, and make sure you hit the notification button, and so that every time I upload my video you will notify.